make your sprinkles?
Strawberry and caramel and chocolate.
When I look in the video, how about how your sprinkles are looking? Oh, great. And then you're putting them in the filtered water?
Yep.
Great.
It's really fun.
It's fun? You like this one?
Time, though.
It does.
It takes a lot of patience.
So what are you guys eating?
Ice cream with homemade sprinkles.
Homemade sprinkles using Nano technology. What do you think? How do they taste?
Different. They're not as sweet.
Some might be in the sodium chloride for a little too long.
Filtered longer.
Or filtered longer. That's a good idea, right? Fiona, the question is, do you think that nanotechnology should be in products, and should they be on the label?
Well, it kind of depends on the product because, like, maybe it's not necessary to have nanoparticles in there, and it could, like, harm you in some way. And I think that they should label.
You really don't want, like, nanoparticles in your food. It probably should be labeled. And the same.
Catherine, what's a buckyball?
A buckyball is like a ball that's made of a whole bunch of atoms.
Bridget, do you remember what kind of atoms it's made out of?
Carbon.
Carbon.
We're cutting out shapes that look like honeycomb to make buckyballs.
And what's
I know, but like, if he's gonna try it,
right? Carbon atoms, right? Structure of the carbon, see the little pictures? Just hold that side for me. This happens to be a pretty strong way to put things together. Now, but if I roll it up instead into a tube, what do you think that does to the strength of this thing?
He has a pretty clever idea. He coats the carbon nanotube.
Very good. Yeah. It's really if I just do tube first, why not?
This doesn't sound. Copper-based energy transmission system over the grid up to 5.
You don't have to, but if you'd like to. Think just about the width of my hand. Hold it, and I'm going to twist. Got it? And then I go down. How many do I have now? Do I have a hexagon? All around your tube. Then we start the next one, and we go up. And we keep going.
See, we have a weapon. Look at it.
I'm gonna go next. My turn.
No, that'll break.
Now?
It's gonna take forever.
That's fine.
Wait, no. 1, 2, 3. Be the most colorful part of the nanotube.
There. That's it. Yeah, second one. Red?
So today we made a carbon nanotube out of balloon, and we also made a poster. And it was all about carbon nanotubes. There's different ways carbon nanotubes can be used in medicine, sports, and there's also space elevator, and also electricity, and
Who had the space elevator? Who wrote about space elevator? Do you guys think that that's something that in the future would really help mankind? How come?
So we won't have to use as much fuel in our rockets, and we don't really need to use as many rockets.
Terrific, great. How about electricity? How would carbon nanotubes help electricity?
It might help electricity because when electricity is going through the copper wires, it wastes 15% of the energy due to the heat. And when they use carbon nanotubes, it doesn't waste any. And by the time the electricity gets to the house, no power has been wasted.
Wonderful. How about in sports equipment? Who had sports equipment?
In sports, well, when you put carbon nanotubes in sports equipment, it makes it a lot more easier to like move it or throw it. Makes like the tennis racket. It's now made out of carbon nanotubes, but it used to be made out of wood, so it was a lot slower than it is right now. So it can be used a lot more efficiently.
Wonderful. How did everybody like our 8-week series on nanoscience? Thumbs up?
Yeah.
Yeah?